You gotta do it again.
All right, I got you. So shouts out to Arailyus and Arailyus Kingdom. But so if you ever do your YouTube intro, your content, whatever, it'll be like ARAILYUSK.
I love it.
That thing is fire.
Hey y'all, it's me, it's Arailyus. I'm here to say, after years of struggle, I found my way. Lied to, used, and pushed around. But look at me now. I stand my ground. Satan said I couldn't, but now I know. I've got my voice and I let it show. I make these videos not just for you, but to prove to myself what I can do. So here I am in front of the lens, authentically me, no need to pretend. I'm remixing my life, piece by piece, fighting my battles, finding my peace. Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. I hope y'all like my little intro. I thought that was kind of cute. So, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You could have been anywhere, but you chose to be here. So, I just want to thank you for being here. Whether you are returning or this is your first time seeing my face, I just thank you for being here. So, this is going to be a new series that I am going to put on my channel, and the first episode starts today, October 1st. And the series, as you can tell by the title, is called Remix My Closet. So I am basically going through my closet and just putting outfits together. In a sense, it's kind of like a capsule wardrobe in a sense. You'll see what I mean with some of the looks. But we always say, oh, I have nothing to wear. I got to go buy something. Every time we going out of town, every time an event coming up, we had a bad day, whatever. I always feel the need to go and buy something else. Y'all know what they be saying. We buy clothes to go out of town when those people ain't even seen the clothes we got at home. So this goes with that theme. And fashion is one of my loves. And this is like me being creative, and it's a little challenging at the same time, but it's fun challenging. You'll see in my pieces. I just want to come and give a cute little intro. I am doing this in batch content, and I promise every episode is not going to be this long. This is just the first episode, so every episode won't be this long. But I am doing this as a batch content. If you do not know this about me, I live with multiple mental disorders. So in order for me to put out content consistently, I have to do things like batch content. I just had to put that out there. So when you see me with this same little look or whatever, you'll know why. If you like fashion, you love colors. Black is one of my favorite colors, but at the same time, I love other stuff. I say that because a lot of my pieces are black and red. I like red too. You'll see the pieces. Okay, y'all, I have talked enough. Without further ado, let's get into this first outfit. Okay, so let's get into episode 1. Episode 1 is called Fashion is My Armor, but God is My Strength. Through every storm, He goes the length. So, in this look, like I said, black and red, those are two of my absolute favorite colors. If I remember where everything is from, I will tell you. Majority of my pieces are from Shein. I am not a Shein affiliate, but I'm going to speak that into existence. So that's where 90% of my pieces come from. The vest that I have on is from Shein. The black top, I'm pretty sure it's from Shein. Now the skirt is from I think the store is called It's Fashion Metro. I think that's the name of the store. Now, this skirt is an extra large, and I got it for the length. I do have space in the waist, but for the length, the girl got a booty. So I had to get a extra large. The stockings maybe came from Shein. If not Shein, they were the beauty supply store. And my red and black boots came from Amazon, as well as my black fedora. So this is the look for day 1, for episode 1. I would love to know what you guys, what you girls, what y'all think about this look. Let me know down in the comments. Again, every video is not going to be that long, but I just want to put something out there to show myself that I can be consistent. So this is what I'm doing. So I hope you like this look. If you do like this look, please give me a like, comment, share, thumbs up, and come back tomorrow for episode 2. Bye, guys.